Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to allow message requests and direct messages in your server on the Discord application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on this Discord button down below on the left side corner. Click on the server icon at the top on the left side, which is the second option. After that, click on this more button next to your server name at the top. Scroll down a bit and here you can find the allow direct messages feature. As you can see, if you enable it by clicking on this button on the right side, anyone in the server can message you, and if you turn on this feature, you will have the chance to enable the message requests option. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.